I think it's finally here, boys. After who knows how long, look what decides to finally show up. Lost for a week, finally here. Look at my pink hair. Look at Kitty. Kitty, stop. Go over there. Kitty's trying to attack the box. Well, it is finally here. Yes, I went with Hexus. Does it say the color on here? No, it does not. Excellent. I went the Hexus vinyl. Indeed. I guess now the only thing to do is open it up and reveal the color. Kitty, what are you looking at, huh? Got my heat gun ready to go right there. Kitty cat, kitty cat. What are you, kitty cat? Kitty cat. The kitty cat. He's the kitty cat. He wants to play. I got kitty cat. Something for kitty cat coming today too, actually. So that'll be fun. I'll be able to bring him outside more often with me without just using the harness and the leash. Whew. Now I need to get to my telephone. I gotta make sure everything's in that box because I ordered new monkey strips and new 3M suede strips as well. So let's go. I don't think he's bringing anything else up here. Nope. Dex got left already. So let's go see what else is in the box, shall we? And that's all there is to it. This is what I went with. There should be no surprise. This should really okay, but look at this. Isn't just an ordinary black. This is called gloss deep black. So it's really, really glossy and a really, really like jet black. Like you can even see on camera, it looks like paint pretty much. Like it doesn't look like your typical orange peely like black that 3M offers. Like I do love 3M products, don't get me wrong, but the 3M vinyl looks really orange peely. This Hexus vinyl does not look orange peely like at all. And I've heard good things about Hexus. This particular one, I don't remember the exact number, model name, whatever it is, but just look up gloss deep black. Good reviews. This is what I went with, and I'm ready to wrap the STI. Now you might be asking yourself, are you gonna take it somewhere to get wrapped, or are you gonna wrap it? I'm gonna wrap it. I'm gonna be the one to wrap this. In case you're wondering, I have wrapped a car before I wrapped my hatchback. My hatchback, insert picture here, and when it was what's the color? Satin Gold Dust was the last color I had the hatchback before I got rid of it. I wrapped that whole car by myself. Literally no help at all. It's not as bad as it looks as long as you're very patient. You know, it wasn't my first time wrapping those, so it's like that was the first time I wrapped a full car by myself, and it was pretty intense. But it was fun. It was really fun. So this will be my second time wrapping a full car by myself, and I'm ready for it. I'm ready for the car to be black. Black is the color I really originally want. Kitty, what are you doing? You hear? Meh. Black's the color I originally wanted the blah by. Black was my first choice. Silver was my second choice. I didn't want World Rally Blue. I love World Rally Blue, don't get me wrong. I admire it and I appreciate it, but it's not the color I wanted for my car. So I'm glad I found the silver one, but black was the color I originally wanted. And I'm like, you know what? I'll take any color really, because I can wrap it eventually. And this is what we're going to do. But that's why the wheels are painted gold, because I want the OEM silk gold with the black look. Black and OEM gold wheels just look so good together. So this is the plan. We're going to start prepping and maybe wrap a little bit today and continue throughout the whole weekend. Today's Friday. This vinyl was supposed to be here on Tuesday. So we're about 3 days behind. But it doesn't mean we can't get far. I don't even know if I'm going to finish it this weekend because I don't want to be home all weekend. There's stuff I do want to do this weekend. So we'll see how far we get by the end of Sunday. But today's Friday and let's go get started. Debadging the car. Well, I need to go pick up some magnets first. Let's go pick up magnets. Come back. Debadge the car. And probably start with, I'm thinking starting with the doors and the quarter panel. Just because I want to get the door handles off and put back on this at the same time because it's not fun not having door handles on your car. Why is my phone going off all crazy? FedEx. So, but yeah. So I do want to get the doors done. If not, I'll start with probably roof, and then doors and quarter panels. Then the other side, doors, quarter panels. So I can put the top strips back on, and then the taillights back on. Since the taillights do got to come off in order to like tuck it in properly. And then maybe do the hood scoop, trunk, wing, and probably the bumpers last. So I did the hatch, I did the bumpers last, so I'll probably do those last. And that's my game plan in my head right now. Things might change, but for now, that's what I'm trying to stick with. Good old STI. R6. R1, we need to talk about that thing right there. Next video, we're gonna talk about that R1. When's the last time I made a point of view driving video like this? Ooh, who am I? I'm not even making a point of view driving video, by the way. I just put my camera there because I kind of had nowhere else to put it. In the meantime, I'm putting my seatbelt on, you know, getting ready. Safety first. Camera back up here. Okay, so here's the scoop right now. I'm trying to find an alternative to magnets because I didn't order magnets because I have a pair of magnets. I still have them here. I'd have to go across town to get them, which I don't want to do. So I'm going to Harbor Freight, which is down the street, picking up. I'm either going to pick up a 5-pack of like the little circular magnets that they have. They're like $2, or some square ones that are like how much were they? I think 99 cents for like a double pack. But I'm gonna see which one. Try to feel out which one's stronger. I don't know if they're in a pack or not, or if they're like, you know, I can actually pull them out and mess around with them. But I want whatever one's stronger because obviously I need to stick it to the car. The only part I think I really need the magnet for is like the quarter panel and the fenders, because the quarter panel I need to stick it back there while I unpeel it and slide it across the A-pillar right here. But more, I'll talk about that more once we actually start wrapping. It's time to get going. I need to clean my dash too. Look at my dash, it's disgusting. So these are the magnets I ended up going with. Check it out. As I get my keys out to start the car. So these magnets, I was like, okay. I was like, let me see how sticky they are when I get here. They were sticking to each other pretty damn hard when I pulled them off the shelf. And I stuck them to the car right now, and even through the package, they stick really, really well. So I'm hoping I made the right choice on this. These were only 99 cents for 2 of them. So let's, actually I need to get some food because I'm hungry. Let's go get some food, fill up ourselves before we fill up the car, and get started on the wrap finally. Well, just assembly then wrap, you know what I mean. Let's do this. Hello, and me. I'm a little down here, but here's the plan. I'm gonna start pulling everything off the car. Emblems, wing, taillights, other emblem, trunk keyhole, all that good stuff, right? I have my AirPods on because I'm actually on Discord with the boys right now. And check out this is what else I got from Harbor Freight. This LED light for 20 bucks is super, super bright, okay? So I'm gonna go back, get another one. I'm actually gonna hang that one on the ceiling. I'm gonna hang another one on the front of the ceiling, and I'll have good lighting in here now. Literally just like 2 or 3 of these will light up my garage really well. One alone is doing a good job to light up half of it, so I think one more will be good enough. And let's kick it into high gear and get started on this finally. I've been waiting for this for 3 days, 4 days already. Damn, look at that shiny trunk. Woo. It's got fingerprints on it, don't mind it. I did the trunk already. Trunk is done. Fingerprinted. It came out a little botched right here. Look, I don't like this. I ain't afraid to show you guys. Like this came out a little wrinkle right here and a wrinkle like right here. Don't know why, but here's what it is. We'll live. Trunk done. Roof vane's already off. Roof vane side piece is already done. I just need to pull up. I think next I'm gonna do the roof, so I'm gonna pull up little trim pieces that come down to like right here. Pull these trimmings off. Do the roof, do the hood, do the scoop, quarter panels, door, quarter panel, done. Oh, and then the bumpers, then we're done. And side skirts, and fenders. It is once again that time when we have come to the end of another video. Right, Kitty? I just finished eating. Kitty just finished eating. You know, Sasha, the baby, just finished eating. And now we're all just chilling. It's already 10:25 p.m. on a Tuesday night. That is Tuesday, right? Oh, damn, dude. Monday and Tuesday honestly went by fast for me. But you guys know the wrap color. You guys know the wheel color. The last thing we got to do now is execute. Actually got to wrap. Honestly, it's Tuesday and I didn't wrap Sunday. I wrapped one thing Sunday, which will be in the next video. I wrapped nothing yesterday, nothing today. Tomorrow, we're getting back to it. For sure, we're getting back to it. And I'm going to start recording that. I didn't record what I wrapped last, but I'm going to start recording the wrap after tomorrow. That'll be it. Hopefully, I'll be done by the end of this weekend coming up. I'm hoping so. fingers crossed. Catch y'all on the next one. Don't forget, drop that sub, 1,000 subs by the end of the year. Oh, and also I gotta make an update on the R1 because the video I made about the cheapest fairings is kind of blowing up for some reason right now. And people want to see more of the bike, so this week will be an update on the R1 and where it's been and why it's been gone for so long off the channel. Alright, catch y'all later. Goodbye.